Hi, I'm Jenny with Coco Daisy, and in this video we are unboxing the sticker kits, stamp, dashboards, pouch, and a bonus a la carte item from the June 2026 Summer Avenue collection. Okay, let's check out the sticker kits included in this month's Summer Avenue collection. I'm going to start with the calendar sticker kit and work my way through the other sticker kits. So this sticker kit is unique. It's these 2 sheets and they are sized to fit either our Daisy Weeks notebook or a Hobonichi Weeks. The stickers are nice and small and they work perfectly. And you can see there's a variety. There's some date covers, some decorative stickers, and then there's also some icons and things like that. So that's the calendar sticker kit right there. We also have our Daisy Weeks sticker kit, and it is sized to fit our Daisy Weeks notebook, but also works beautifully with a Hobonichi Weeks planner. You can see there's some decorative strips and then some header type stickers and then some trackers. Then we have a sheet of decorative stickers, but there are also some headers down there as well. Then we have some like date cover stickers. They're so cute. I love them. I don't know what it is about these on this sheet that always just looks so satisfying to me. And then you have the round icon stickers as well. Then we have a sheet of boxes, both decorative and then ones you can write in. And we also have a sheet of vellum decorative stickers and that also have dates on them too, plus these little washi type strips. So these are the Daisy Weeks sticker kit. Next up is our memory keeping sticker kit. Now this sticker kit is really fun. It has a variety of different types of stickers. So we have these boxes that also have some labels and then a couple of washi type strips down at the bottom. Now these stickers are sized to fit in our Daisy planner, the vertical columns, or in a vertical big happy planner. These boxes are 2 inches wide. Then we also have a sheet of really cute decorative stickers, plus another sheet of boxes. There is a sheet of navy blue alphabet stickers, a sheet of some little word strips, plus the dates, plus the labels, and then some decorative stickers and some washi type strips down at the bottom. And then we also have a decorative sheet of vellum stickers with various phrases and things like that, and then some watercolor splashes. And then lastly, a small sheet of our prompts, if you will, things that you can use to prompt your journaling or add into like a photo, that kind of thing. Now, one thing I wanted to point out that I haven't talked about before is that we have these really cool envelopes in the Coco Daisy shop. They're a heavy duty plastic. You can see on the front we have the logo here, and then on this side we have the logo here. And there is a flap and then a little place to tuck the flap as well. And so you can keep your stickers, I mean anything honestly, it doesn't have to be stickers, but you can keep all of them nice and secure in this envelope. I'm gonna show you. I know that I always miss this and forget to talk about it, but I think it's such a cool product. So the stickers just fit perfectly in there, and then you can keep them organized and neat and tidy, and it's just a great little product. Keep them safe, especially if you take these on the go as well. You can pick these up in our shop. All right, next up is our planner sticker kit. And these boxes are 1.5 inches wide. So that works really well with, say, a traditional size Erin Condren planner or a classic size Happy planner. We also have a sheet of deco stickers, a sheet of the hexagons, then with some reminders and some headers, a sheet of checklists and trackers and dates, and then a sheet of boxes, trackers, headers, and hydration stickers. And then we also have a decorative sheet of vellum stickers that includes watercolor splashes, but then also has the washi type strips. And then a small sheet of vellum dot stickers, which are great for checklists and things like that. They're just a really versatile tool, and it includes all the colors from the collection. So that's the planner sticker kit. Then we have our Daisy add-on sticker kit. These stickers are just cute and fun stickers to use. They're not designed for any specific planner or any specific use. They're just decorative stickers for the most part. You can see that there are buildings and all those kind of fun things, and then the other accessories. I'm fond of this little strip as well. Plus we have a sheet of alphabet stickers and then a sheet of vellum stickers that are decorative and have some different phrases, and then also some of those washi type strips. Next up is our classic cousin sticker kit. Now these are a really versatile sticker kit. The only thing that is particularly specific is these boxes are sized to fit the weekly calendar in an A5 Hobonichi cousin. So that is basically it. The rest of the stickers work great however you'd like. We have another sheet of boxes. We have a sheet of decorative stickers and then some different phrase stickers down at the bottom. There is a sheet of the boxes that have checklists and trackers and then some reminder stickers as well. We have some headers, days of the week, and icon stickers. A sheet that includes the alphabet stickers, some washi type strips, and then dates. And we also have a sheet of vellum stickers that has a bunch of fun decoratives. Super cute, right? So that is the classic cousin sticker kit. And last but not least, we have our Bible journaling sticker kit. There is a sheet of decorative stickers, a sheet of labels, and then also different phrases, a sheet of washi type strips, and then also some dates, a sheet of alphabet stickers, a sheet of different, I'm going to say label type stickers, because you see there's triangles, there's traditional rectangles, tags, hexagons, all of that. So lots of different configurations, but basically all sort of label-ish. And then we have a sheet of vellum stickers that are decorative, that have different phrases and things like that, plus some watercolor splashes. So that's the Bible journaling sticker kit, and you can see pictures and digital renderings of all of our sticker kits on the website. All right, let's dive into the rest of the items from the collection. That includes the dashboards, our pouch, the stamp subscription, and then also our bonus a la carte item as well. So these are our dashboards. They're a heavy cardstock weight. They come in both A5 and personal size. So when you subscribe, you receive both of these. And they are single-sided and really, really versatile. I think the name dashboard, it doesn't really talk about all the different ways that you can use these. So let's flip through the A5s first. So as a reminder, the back side is blank, which is also nice too, honestly. I actually put one of our self-adhesive pockets on the back, and then I use this in my Hobonichi cousin as like a bookmark type thing, and then it has little handy stickers in there. Works great. All right, we have up this bright, fun yellow one right here. I love this phrase. I'm a summer person. I love summer, so I'm definitely here for it. This one is also so cute. The little yellow car is just perfect right there. Then we also have this lovely one with all those fun bricks, and then this map with the phrase, somewhere between where you are and where you're going, summer begins. And then, like I said, we also have all of them in the personal size. And when you subscribe, you receive all of these. So they're really a great value. They're so versatile and lots of fun to use in lots of different ways. I personally love using them not only as a bookmark sort of for my planner, but I also love using them as tip-ins in journals and things like that as well. All right, so next up is our stamp subscription, and this one is called City Adventures. And as you can see, there's a large square map here, but then there's also lots of little phrases as well. The summertime adventures start here all day long, etc., etc. So it's a really fun stamp set, and I don't think it's just for travel, if we're being honest. I think that it is fantastic for using when you're documenting about your own life, your home, your town, where you live, things like that. It's just, I think it's really versatile and it does work very well for travel, but it's not, in my opinion, not at all only useful for travel. Okay, so then we also have our pouch this month, and it is a fun one. Okay, so as you can see, it is our wonderful sort of fabric with a lining on the inside, probably like nylon or whatever, so you can stick whatever in there and it's not going to leak. It's got a nice sturdy gold zipper. And then on the back, there is an elastic band, so you can attach it to your planner, your notebook, whatever. And then we have a pen loop on the front. And then there is also a pocket. So, oh my gosh, so fun, right? So I'm gonna stick like some stuff in here, and then I'm gonna stick let's put some stickers in there. I'm gonna put some stickers in my pouch, and then maybe I'd throw some washi in there, and then I would be all set to put this on top of my planner and plan at a coffee shop or on the go or while I was traveling, whatever, lots of different ways. It is a spectacular pouch. I know this type is always very popular and I love it and I love the colors. It's super, super cute. All right, so then our last item is our a la carte item, which that means this is not a subscription. This is something that you buy individually, and this is our camera wax seal. I'm going to set it down so hopefully you can get a look at that really cute camera. If you want to see an example of it used, there is definitely one on our website. It's just a really great little brass wax seal. You just simply screw the handle on to this and then you can start using it. So you can see pictures of all of these items, digital renderings, and examples on our website.